AI can't replace humans, so don't worry. Just because calculators exist, did accountants disappear? When cars were invented, coach drivers lost their jobs, but taxi drivers took their place. And even though platforms like Uber have reduced the number of full-time taxi drivers, more people than ever are driving as a side gig. The invention of the microwave didn't make chefs obsolete. Likewise, AI is simply a tool. If you understand how it works, you won't feel intimidated. Throughout history, every major breakthrough has disrupted existing jobs. That's why we call them disruptive innovations. But at the same time, they've always created entirely new industries and roles. AI is no different. Traditional jobs may fade, but new ones will take their place. People who resist change may struggle, while those who adapt will be rewarded. This is the natural process of industrial evolution. As long as you're learning and engaging with AI, your income won't disappear. Think back to when computers first appeared. Some people learned to use them, and some didn't. Look at the difference today between younger generations who adapted to smartphones and older ones who didn't. AI won't decide whether you become rich or poor. You will. So stop worrying. Use that time to learn. A bright future is waiting for those who prepare.